Good afternoon. Wanted to bring up a point we tweeted out earlier, a quick video or a quick snapshot of the Russell at the end of the day as it was falling. And the Russell has been leading us, as you can see here, again, 3-month, 1-month, and 2-week charts here, just the intermediate charts. And we finally saw a break in the Russell, which we didn't see today in the broader Nasdaq or the SP. So I just want to point this out, that this could be the writing on the wall, one of the just another chink in the armor of all these divergences that we're seeing. And again, a move back to 814 here in the 3-month chart would be of value. 844 to 814 I could see us traveling into, and again, this is clearly broken. You can see it on the 1-day chart. We broke down early in the day. I mean, really from the get-go. The Russell started selling off almost all day, and you can see that here real quickly if we were to pin in a little bit. Really off the open, we had a sell pre-market, and right off the open, 6:30, that first 30-minute bar, we came back and tested the bottom of that and just continued to sell off. Now, I have not been playing the Russell at all because its moves, again, have been very staggered, as you can see here, the last week or so, really moving 3 to 5 points, less than 1/3% most parts of the day, so I wasn't interested. Now I get kind of interested when you see a nice 1.5, 1.6, 1.7% move like you saw today. Again, Russell saw a high pre-market overnight of about 907 and traded all the way down to we're sitting pinned right now at 892. So we're down almost 2 percentage points from the top of this market in the Russell. Now, you don't see this, just to point this out, you didn't see this same type of move yet in the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq sold off a little bit, but again, a little bit different pattern evolving, and the Nasdaq hasn't made new highs like the S&P or the Russell has. So this concerns me a little bit more, and I've been talking about this. Massive divergences showing up right now in the Nasdaq, and again, you can really see this over the last month. We've really been locked into this 2750 outside of this outlier, 2770 to 2710. I mean, we are really in this band here, and we talk about this a lot, and this is a channel that you're really just locked into, right into this area here. So we remain from that line 2750 to 2710, and we are just pretty much just locked into this channel, and until that breaks, the next move on the Nasdaq has yet to be proven. So again, under 2700, this thing has quite a room to fall, and it can't get to this new high. And just to real quickly wrap it up with the ES, just to show you where that is. And again, it sold off a little bit today, but nothing like the Russell, and really the range was not anywhere to be excited about, and we didn't break yesterday's low. Yesterday's low again on the S&P was down here at 1490. 1490 goes, and there's so a couple highs here and a couple 2 or 3 lows here. That goes, and again, we're sitting into value on the close here at 1495. You may look to put on a sell tomorrow on any type of open that gets you higher up to 1502, 1505, and just basically say, all right, take me out if we get over 1512, that type of thing. But again, if the Russell is any indicator, if we see one more chink, possibly a close below 1490 tomorrow, a lot of red flags are going to go up for a lot of momentum chasers and traders in the marketplace. So keep this in mind tomorrow as you set up your day for Thursday and Friday. The Fed is out. They didn't do anything for the 3rd year in a row, but everybody sits on pins and needles. We didn't move until that news came, and then we had a little slight sell-off at the end of the day. Nothing again major, but the Russell has me on the edge of my seat as it led us to the upside here first, to new highs, etc., and it could lead us to the downside. So keep this in your both your front windshield and your rear view mirror tomorrow as you look at the day. Any types of rallies right now, for the first time, you can probably look at an opportunity to maybe step into a leg selling up to about that 1500, 15 area for the S&P. Thanks. Join us at misstrade.info and take the trial for a week, and we'll see you on the other side. That's www.misstrade.info.